Yes, good morning all. So let us start with the Android application development. So we will discuss the step-by-step guide for Android application development progress. So first thing will be the analysis part. Whenever we are planning to develop any Android applications, we need to do the analysis. Second thing will be the database planning. Third things will be UI UX planning. That will be the screen design. Then fourth steps will be the Android app development. Start using Android Studio. Here we are assuming that you are having the knowledge of Java or Kotlin. So you can develop Android applications using Java, or you can develop using the Kotlin also. So whenever you are developing the Android applications, you need APIs also. So we need to develop that API also. So we will discuss about the API development. Whenever you are planning that particular UI, at the time you can develop the API also. So we can convert that API development prior to that particular Android application development. So whenever you are planning the UI UX, at the time we can develop the API. So in API we are going to develop using the PHP right now. Then Android applications development using that particular Android Studio. Then sixth step will be the testing of Android application using, we are having the multiple testing options available, 6.1 options, that using emulator. 6.2 we can use with the real device, or we can use with the cloud device. So this will be the testing, and finally deployment of application. If everything is perfect, then we can go for the deployment to Play Store. Either we can go for the Play Store, or we can go for the alternative solutions. So let us discuss the one by one point. So let us start with the analysis. Before starting with the analysis, we need to finalize the title also. So let us go with the title, that we are going to prepare applications like a food delivery application. It is like a Zomato. You can say as a Zomato, or let's say consider as a Swiggy. So first thing, we need to find out the types of users. So types of users will be the customer, then delivery boy will be there, then particular restaurant will be there, and admin will be there. Here we are considering only 4 users. So again we need to discuss that, for example, customer is there. So customer is going to use Android app. The delivery boy is again going to use Android app. Restaurant might be using Android app or admin panel, and admin will always use admin panel. So admin panel will be developed using the admin LTE template, while Android app will be developed using the Android Studio, either using the Kotlin or using the Java. So we need to, this is the first step. We need to plan the users. Second step will be the user wise functionality. So here we can go for the customer functionality. So customer will register it first, then login will be there, then home screen will be there, category selection, item selection, add to cart, checkout, પછી address management, પછી my profile, edit profile, change password, logout, plus we can have that order history. So this will be the customer functionality. Then after we need to go for the restaurant functionality. Same thing, we need to find out restaurant functionality. Same thing we need to find out the delivery boy functionality. So I am not right now doing this research, that you need to do it on yourself. Then admin functionality. In admin, login will be there, then customer management will be there, then restaurant management will be there, then delivery boy management will be there, Then earning management. Here we can say as a first order management, customer payment received. પછી અહીંયા આગળ second things will be restaurant payment paid. Here we can go with delivery boy payment management, and so many reports will be there. So this is the first step of the analysis. Second step will be the database planning. So we need to plan the database. So in database planning, what we are supposed to discuss, first we need to prepare the tables, like a customer table we need to prepare it, we need to prepare for the restaurant, we need to prepare for the delivery boy, then we need to prepare for the order, that category will be there, item will be there. So all the tables is required. For example, customer master ID, customer name, customer mobile, customer email, customer password, customer address, and so many other fields are also required. So here you need to prepare all the database table. Then RES restaurant, restaurant master table will be there. I am not preparing all the fields right now, you need to prepare it. Then RES delivery boy master, again you need to plan out the fields for the same. I am not preparing that fields. Same things, all the tables you need to plan out. So this is the first steps for the Android application development. First you need to plan out the analysis, then you need to plan out the database planning. So this is the analysis sample. These are the pending one that you need to do it. Replace the star with all the analysis and share me on WhatsApp or comment. Then admin functionality, again admin, so many other things are also there that I am not right now planning, that you need to think on it and you need to prepare it and you need to submit it to me. Then database, customer table is there, restaurant table is there, delivery boy table is there, then category table will be there, then product table will be there, or you can say item table will be there, then order will be there, that we can say as a cart master, cart detail, and so many other tables will be there. So you need to prepare such tables. I am not preparing all the table right now, I am just giving you the hint. Based on this idea you need to prepare all the tables. So this is the database planning. Once you prepare and submit these both the things, we will go ahead with the next point, that is called as a UI UX planning. That will be the screen planning. We will prepare some of the screen, then we will plan out the API for each screen, then we will go for the API development, then we will start with the Android applications finally. So the concept of this, both the point number 1 and point number 2 for Android application development is clear. Just share me on a WhatsApp. If any questions are there, we can discuss it. If no questions, we can conclude the sessions. We will come up again tomorrow. We will go ahead with the next points. So any questions? No. So let us conclude the session.